Continue our series of introducing you to some of our key leaders across campus. Today I have with me Dean Radesh Palakurthi from the Kemmons Wilson School of Hospitality and Resort Management. Radesh, welcome.
Thank you very much. I love the opportunity.
You've been here 10 years or so, Dean about 6 years, so you've seen some changes here. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I've been in higher education throughout my career. I've jumped from colleges to universities all across the U.S.
Certainly the last couple of years, through the pandemic is a changing time in hospitality, resort management. I mean, that was an industry that really went through some changes. As you look at what's going on in your school, both coming through the pandemic and now looking ahead, what are some of the big things that you see on the horizon for your school?
Our future is based on three broad ideas. One is restore. COVID has had a terrible impact on our industry. We lost about 85% of our workforce.
Wow.
So we're trying to bring them back, get the talent. So we see ourselves as one of the instruments that would build the workforce in the local market. And then the next opportunity is reach. We actually have a very good brand name. The Kemmons Wilson name is known across the globe. So we're trying to build around that and reach, using your idea about omni education. We're trying to reach markets across the globe. And the last is living up to our R1 initiative. Research is a major initiative on campus and also with our school and faculty. So those would be the three growth areas.
I know we have a culinary school, which is part of the school, and of course resort management, hospitality. Any of those areas that seem to be really moving forward compared to the others, or are they all moving forward at about the same pace?
Yeah, the need in the industry is across the board. So we're trying to do it at all levels. So it's a grassroots effort. On the culinary side, we're starting with high schools with dual enrollment programs. And then we're going into professional education, certification for the industry, and then joint programs with our international partners. We have a partnership with universities in China, and now we're doing some in Dubai. So, and they're all built around 2+2, 3+1 programs.
It sounds like there's lots of great work going on, and we look forward to the continuing growth and expansion of that school. We appreciate all that you do, and thanks for taking time to be with us today.
Thank you very much.